I'ma head out then. Who got the keys to the Jeep?
What's you running in here?
Just 6 Skar EVL 18s, 1 Terram 12K.
1 12K?
I think I'm clamping like 7,500 watts right now.
1 amp?
Yeah.
That's impressive, man. I sure appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Good thing, man.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Describe to this man's
YouTube page, all right? You hear me? I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.